Hey ding dongs! So today we're gonna do an unboxing, an Amazon baby registry unboxing. It's the $35 surprise box. Alright, we're live! Okay, so here's this box. It's worth $35 and you get it if you complete some steps on your baby registry on Amazon. So I haven't opened it, so let's see. Okay, paper. Alright, so let's see like what's actually in this box. Ooh. Okay, like is everything really gonna total out to $35? I don't know. Alright, first thing we got here. A MAM Easy Start Anti-Colic Plus Start Pacifier. It's a bottle. 4.5 ounce bottle and a pacifier. So that's cool. I don't know how much that's worth, but I'll put the prices somewhere here. Or maybe they'll go here. No, I'll put them right here. The price. Oh my god, look at this! Okay, we have Huggies 3 diapers. Special delivery. What's so cool about these? I don't know, just 3 diapers. Okay. It's their perfect diaper.
Probably not eco-friendly though, so not perfect enough.
What else do we have? Oh, look, it's a 3-piece set, hat, gloves, and socks. Most of it's cotton. It's pink and white stripes. Let's see. Smells like factories, like new clothes. This will be fun. Look, a matching socks and mittens for the baby. How cute. I was gonna say, how they know it's a girl, but the registry says so. Okay, who knows how much that's worth. Okay, another bottle. Dr. Brown's Natural Anti-Flow. It's a wide neck bottle. I didn't even use bottles with my first baby. Aquaphor Healing Ointment. This is a sample. Oh! I just saw what else. Okay, we got some Cetaphil Baby Wash and Shampoo. Sample travel size. We have a little sample size 2 weeks of gripe water. Fun. Yay. And last but not least, oh my gosh, the best wipes in the world. I love water wipes. They're like just so soft and smooth and so like wet. You guys don't understand, but they're so expensive too. Like I don't even want to use these. These are the best wipes ever. And you only get like 10. They're just water and grapefruit seed extract. And a coupon for gripe water. So, I don't know if that was worth $35.
Thought it was gonna be $35. It wasn't.
That would have been bad if that hit him. Well, that's it for our baby registry Amazon unboxing. Bye, ding dongs. You gonna say bye? You gonna say bye? No. Okay, that's fine.
Lex, only been a week or so, trying to find love in the city of gold.